Today I'd like to talk about 3 reasons why students doing higher research degrees, when they come to doing their actual final degree research project, struggle to make progress. Here I'm in particular thinking about students with a practice background who are experienced managers or business owners that are doing a doctorate of business administration, who come to do their thesis and they know exactly what they would like to work on and why it's interesting and what the practical relevance is, but they're struggling to get started or not making progress as quickly as they would like to. In my experience, there are 3 reasons for why this might be the case. First of all, they haven't found the right research design yet for their project. For example, design science research, which I'm increasingly working with these kinds of students with to help them organize their research project. If they do know that design science research might be the right way for them to think about how to organize their thinking for executing the project, they may not know how to write the research design down. In any academic program, there is a sense of an expectation from the supervisor and from the program that there is going to be a clearly thought through and logical research design for executing the project, regardless of the degree to which the student has a sense already of what the practical problem is and how they might go about solving that in some incomplete way. Otherwise, there wouldn't be a point for doing the research project. And if the students do have both of those first 2 issues dealt with, the third reason why they may not be making progress is that they may be skipping ahead to the practical work of solving the problem and not executing the earlier phases of the design science project or logic, and thus they are missing pieces of information and knowledge needed to execute the project effectively. And by that I mean so that they have realized both the relevance and the rigor cycles of the research project in its early phases. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, why don't you keep an eye open for the video coming later in the week where I'm going to be going into these 3 issues in a little bit more detail.